Digital dentures made from traditional analog or digital impressions are a fantastic solution for today's modern dental practices. And there's a lot of benefit to digital dentures, and we're happy to share that information via numerous videos and documents and research that we have posted on our website. But for larger organizations, digital dentures can provide the secret removable recipe that combines consistent quality product, repeatable results, scalability, all combined with an excellent price point, but more importantly, the ability to do a denture in 2 clinical visits compared to 3, 4, or 5 clinical visits with analog dentures. In addition to the cost savings and consistent quality, digital dentures also can improve patient satisfaction. They fit wonderfully because they're a pure digital process that doesn't have to rely on post-processing errors and materials shrinking due to the analog process. They're also very time efficient in many ways, not only in the office, but we turn these restorations around in only a couple days in the laboratory compared to weeks with analog dentures. They also have superior strength. Lucitone digital print dentures actually get stronger after they go in the mouth and are proven to be as strong as analog dentures, and are made out of a proven material that's been used for decades. Finally, you have the benefit with digital dentures of a digital record. So the lab will always maintain a file of those dentures that can be reproduced at any time should the patient lose their denture or want a replacement down the road. At ROE, we've made over 80,000 digital dentures with amazing organizational success stories and great case studies about how these have affected businesses in a positive way. We operate a 24/7 facility with redundant systems and backup power supplies. So when it comes to delivering your dentures, we have no excuses at ROE Dental Laboratory. We'll get your product there on time. We've also created a 50-page guide about digital dentures, the protocols, the processes, and systems you need to implement these in your organization. We're happy to share this with you, and I think that after you read our comprehensive guide and some of your clinicians try digital dentures, you'll become a fan of digital dentures just like us.